Hey, it's Joe here. Here's the demo for the new Whammy DT rack mount integration. I'm just going to go through all the settings. I'm on Harmony Whammy right now. This will turn the unit on and off. You can hear the relay click for true bypass. The knob goes through all of the settings. Very nice. We're going to start with octave 2, or 2 octaves up. Right, and just go through them quickly here. Up an octave, up a fifth, up a fourth, down a second, down a fourth, down a fifth, down 1 octave, down 2 octaves, and then the dive bomb. Cool. Now we'll do the harmony effects. Up octave, down octave. Down a fourth, down a fifth. Down a third, down a fourth. Up a seventh, up a fifth. Up a sixth, up a fifth. Nice. Up a third, up a minor third. Up a third, up a second. Very dissonant. Right. And then we'll do the D tunes. Deep. Okay, shallow. Slight chorusing there. So we'll turn off the harmony whammy and we'll go to the drop tune. Downs. And then the octave and drive. Octave up. So that goes through all of them, and so we've got the functionality on and off here. For each effect, we've got these controls here, so you know what you're on. Right now, I'm running through a Voodoo Lab ground control with an expression pedal, and the MIDI is controlling the whammy and harmony effects. So it's pretty cool. You can have a quick look at the inside of the device. So we've got the power supply section fuse. You can see the MIDI jack there with the MIDI cable plugged in. You've got the main circuit board that has been made functional by integrating it into the rack. And you've got the in and out jacks. Everything's properly shielded and protected. There's no hum from the unit, no crazy noise. You've got tons of wiring for these LEDs, and that's about it. Here's the foot controller. So it's the ground control and the expression pedal, which is just a Ernie ball volume pedal feeding the input, and that's about it. So the beast is ready to pack up, and I'll ship it off to you as soon as possible. Once I get a shipping rate, we'll go from there. Take care.